Hi, class. My name is Rashid Roshan. This semester, I'm continuing with the same field placement that I was at last semester. It is at a mental health agency that provides outpatient services in Los Angeles County. Um, Typically, I'm just providing primary therapy with individuals as young as about 7 years old. One thing I enjoy about the experience so far is that it is much, much different than what I've experienced to this point in the mental health field. I haven't worked with clients this young before, um, so obviously it's nice to have my brain get into learning mode and by doing something I have never done before. Um, so in that respect, yeah, that's why it's also very challenging in many ways. But one of the biggest challenges I would say is, given the situation, obviously that we're in with COVID-19, doing everything virtually, I do find it a little challenging. Um, I like to think that it's obviously much, not only is it more gratifying to work in person, but I find it's a lot less tricky when obviously working with Zoom, there happens to be a lot of technical difficulties at times, things that I wouldn't have to worry about if I was in person. Um, and another challenge is I'm finding that clients are being less punctual with their sessions as I go virtual, whereas with clients before who I've seen in person, it's been more consistent. But it is something ultimately that I have to work through because everybody's working through that at this time. One thing I've learned about myself through this experience is, uh, I kind of feel like I'm starting all over, kind of, in the mental health field because I'm learning things I've never learned before and work with populations I haven't worked with. So one thing I've learned is I'm not, I have a lot to learn, and it's a humbling experience so far. I'm very gracious I'm able to have this experience, and I hope better things can come with this last semester that we have. So I really appreciate that you guys listening, and I look forward to hearing about your experiences as well. Thanks.